In this video, I'm going to show you how to use unit convert on iPhone calculator on iOS 18. So the new feature that comes into your iPhone via iOS 18 is unit converter on the calculator app. So here you're going to learn how to turn it on and how you can easily use it. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing you want to do is you want to open the calculator app. Now to enable unit convert on iPhone on iOS 18, all you need to do is click on the calculator icon at the bottom left, then turn on convert. There you go. Then you should see the converter here. If you go ahead and click on this arrow icon to navigate, then you can convert from one unit to the other. So if you want to convert volume, just click on volume and select whatever you want to convert here. Let's say I want to convert from gallon, then to watt. Under volume, let's say I want to convert from gallon to liter. There you go. Select liter. Then type in number of gallon. Let's say 56 gallon. Then you can see it's about 211.98 liters. So that's how you can easily use unit converter on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.